Welcome to Easy English. In this lesson, you will listen to a long, clear English conversation at the airport. Listen carefully. Pause and repeat. Let's begin.
Good morning. Welcome to the airport. How may I help you today?
Good morning. I am here to check in for my flight.
Of course. May I please see your passport and ticket?
Yes, sure. Here is my passport and my ticket.
Thank you. Please give me a moment while I check your details.
No problem.
All right. You are traveling to London today. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct.
Is this your first time flying?
No, but I still feel a little nervous.
That is very normal. Don't worry. I will help you with everything. Your flight number is EK203. Your departure time is 10:45 a.m.
Okay. What time should I go to the boarding gate?
Boarding will start at 10 a.m. Please arrive at the gate at least 30 minutes early.
All right. Which gate is it?
Gate number 23B.
Gate 23B. I will remember that.
You can also check the gate number on the screen.
Yes, I saw the big screens outside.
Do you have any luggage to check in?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Please place your suitcase on the weighing belt.
Okay, here you go.
Your bag weighs 18 kilograms. That is within the limit.
That's good.
Do you have any hand luggage?
Yes, I have a backpack.
That is fine. Please keep all important items in your hand luggage.
Like my passport and phone?
Yes, exactly. Also, keep your wallet and medicines with you. Do you prefer a window seat or an aisle seat?
I prefer a window seat.
Let me check availability. Yes, a window seat is available.
That's great.
Your seat number is 14A.
Seat 14A. Thank you.
Do you prefer to sit near the front or the back?
Near the front, if possible.
You are already near the front. Good choice. After check-in, you need to go through security.
What do I need to do there?
You must place your bags, phone, and belt in the tray.
Do I need to remove my shoes?
Sometimes, yes. Please follow the instructions of the security officers.
All right.
After security, you will go through immigration.
What happens there?
An officer will check your passport and visa.
Okay, I have my visa ready.
Here is your boarding pass.
Thank you.
Please check the details: your name, flight number, seat number, and gate.
Everything looks correct.
Keep this boarding pass safe. You will need it multiple times.
I will keep it in my pocket. Excuse me, where can I find the restroom?
Go straight and turn left. You will see signs.
Thank you. Is there a cafe nearby?
Yes, there is a cafe and a food court after security.
That's good. I'd like some coffee.
You have enough time before boarding.
What if my flight is delayed?
Please listen to announcements. You can also check the display screens.
If I miss an announcement, what should I do?
You can always ask airport staff.
That makes me feel better.
We are always here to help. Please arrive at the gate on time.
Yes, I will.
Keep your documents ready.
I understand.
Also, make sure your phone is fully charged.
Good advice. Thank you.
Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, you've been very helpful.
I'm glad to hear that. Have a pleasant flight.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
You're welcome. Safe travels.